Let us solve question number 1 of exercise 2.3 NCERT class 10. Question is, divide the polynomials px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Px is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and gx is x square minus 2. So let us divide x square minus 2 and this is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So, what will be the first term in the quotient? How can you find the first term in the quotient? So, divide the highest degree of dividend, that is x cube, by highest degree of divisor, that is x square. If you divide it, what you will get? You will get x, because power x cube means x into x into x and x square means x into x. Then both the x will cancel, only one x is left. So you should have to divide by x. So write x here. Now multiply these terms. X square into x is equal to x cube. Right here x cube. And then minus sign is here. Minus 2 into x is equal to minus 2x. So write in front of x, because this is x square term. So write in front of x. This is 2x minus 2x. Now subtract. If you subtract, then its sign must be changed. This is plus, so it will be minus. This is minus, so it will be plus. So plus x cube minus x cube will cancel. This term will become 0. And minus 3x square is left, minus 3x square, and here it is plus 5x and minus 2x. This sign will not used. You have changed this sign, so plus 2x is here. So minus plus plus plus, and 5 2x plus 2 2x is equal to 7x. 5x plus 2x is 7x, and minus 3 is left. So right here 3x. Now, how will you make minus 3x square? How will you make x square is equal to minus 3x square? So, divide it. Divide 3x square minus 3x square by x square. What you are getting? X square cancel, only minus 3 is left. So, divide by minus 3. Right here minus 3. Now, multiplied it. 3x square into minus 3 is equal to minus 3x square, minus 3x square, and then minus into minus is plus, plus, and 3 into 2 is 6. This is not the term of x, so don't write here. You write here minus minus plus in terms of constant. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now subtract it. Minus will become plus, and if you subtract, sign will be changed, and this plus become minus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square will be cancelled. It will become 0. And what is left here? 7x. 7x is left, and here both the term having negative sign. So minus 3 will be minus 9. Now this is less than x square. X square, this is the maximum value, maximum index of x is x square, and here it is x. So this is your remainder. So write it. This is your the quotient. Therefore the quotient is x minus 3, and the remainder is remainder is 7x minus 9. Now let us solve question number 2. This is your px dividend. Px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is in the standard form because indices of x is in decreasing order. If it is in decreasing order or increasing order, then the polynomial is in standard form. Here it is x square plus 1 minus x. This is not in the standard form because indices of x is x square, then 0, then 1. You can write in this way, x square minus x plus 1. Now this is in the standard form. First power of variable is 2, then 1, then 0. This is in the standard form. Now divide it. This is your quotient divisor, x square minus x plus 1. And this is your dividend, x to the power 4, x square. There, here it is, x cube term is not there, so leave a space. Minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now divide it. To find the first term of the quotient, we must have to divide dividend for highest power of dividend, that is x to the power 4, by highest power of divisor, that is x square. If you divide it, you will get x square. So divide by x square. First term of quotient will be x square. Now x square into x square is x to the power 4. And now minus, plus minus minus, x into x square is equal to minus x cube. Write minus x cube. Because this is x square, so write q variables of cubic power here. That's why we have given space. So x cube, x minus x into x square is equal to minus x cube. Now plus minus plus 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 and x square into 1 is equal to x square. So write here plus x square. Now subtract it. If you subtract, sign will be changed. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus, because if you are subtracting, all the sign will be changed. Now x4 plus x4 minus x4, that will be cancelled, and here it is plus x cube. Right here x cube, and both are negative, minus 3x cube minus x cube, then it will be minus 4x, sorry, x square, 4x square, and then plus 4x plus 5. Now what will be the next term of quotient? Divide it, x cube divided by x square, that is x. So divide by x plus x. Now x into x square is equal to x cube, and plus minus minus, x into x is x square. So minus x square and x into 1 is equal to x. So write here x. Now subtract it. Minus plus minus. This term will cancel. This is plus, this is minus, and 4 is greater than 1. So write negative sign. Subtract it. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then it is 3x square. Now 4x minus x is equal to plus 3x, because greater digit has positive sign. So write the greater digit sign, and plus 5. Now what will be the next term of this quotient? Divide it, minus 3x square divided by x square. If you divide it, you will get minus 3, because x square term will cancel. So divide by minus 3. Right here minus 3. Now multiply it. Minus 3 into x square is equal to minus 3x square, and then minus minus plus, and x into 3 is 3x plus 3x, and minus into plus is minus, 3 into 1 is 3. Now subtract it. Negative become positive, then negative, and then positive. This term will cancel. This term will also be cancelled, because minus 3x plus 3x is 0, and 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. So what is the quotient? Quotient is x square plus x minus 3, and remainder is 8. So write here, therefore quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder, and the remainder is 8.